Hey community! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you how I added a chatbot to my SightSpeak website using Copilot Studio. It's a DNN site, that's .NET Nuke. But don't worry, it's really easy to do. I'll walk you through it with simple steps anyone can follow. Let's jump in. My site uses DNN, so I picked the HTML module to get it done. Here's how it went. I logged into my SightSpeak admin area, just my username and password. Then I chose the page where I wanted the chatbot to show up, like the home page or contact page. Next, I dragged the HTML module onto that page. It's like an empty box for pasting stuff. Now, here's the fun part. I opened Copilot Studio, went to the agent I wanted to add to my site, then clicked on Channels. I picked Custom Website, and it showed me some code. I copied that code, went back to my site, pasted it into the HTML module on the page I chose, and hit Save. Boom! The chatbot popped up, ready to roll. Adding it isn't enough. I had to test it out. I opened SightSpeak in my browser. I like Chrome, but any works, and went to the page with the chatbot. I typed, "Hey, what's those SightSpeak do?" and it answered right away. Then I checked if it looked okay on the page. No funny overlaps or anything. It was perfect. I also asked something like, "What's SightSpeak about?" to see if it gave the right answer from Copilot Studio. It did, worked like a charm. Oh, and if you want your chatbot to look and work just the way you like, you can add some style and JavaScript. That's what I did to make mine extra cool. Want to update what your chatbot says? Here's how to tweak it in Copilot Studio. Open Copilot Studio, go to the Topics option, and click on it. Then choose System. Look for Conversation Start. Click on that. You'll see triggers in a message section. Click on Message. Add whatever you want your chatbot to say, and save it. After that, go to your site, refresh the page, and check your chatbot. The new message should be updated and ready to go. And that's it, friends. With Copilot Studio and DNN's HTML module, I added a chatbot to SightSpeak. It's like having a helper there 24/7. It was so simple, no hard stuff, just copying from Copilot Studio and pasting it in. Want more details? Check my blog at sightspeak.ai blog page, links in the description. Try this on your DNN site and let me know how it goes in the comments. If you like it, hit a like and comment for more videos. Oh, and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our latest videos. Stick around for what's next with SightSpeak AI. Catch you later.